In this video, we will see method reference to a instance method. We will see a few code samples. First, we will create one functional interface. I convert. So this interface has one abstract method which is convert. Public string convert, and this method takes one parameter which is of type string. Okay. Now we will create one class str converter. Str converter. This class has one method. Okay, the method is public string change text. This method takes string parameter. So inside this method we call strings to uppercase method. So this method actually returns a text in uppercase. Right. Now let us go to the main class, and we will declare one static method inside the main class, public string do it, and this do it method has two parameters. The first parameter is of type functional interface I convert. Second parameter is of type string. So inside this method we call the convert method. Okay. Right. So now inside the main method, what we do is we will call this static method do it. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about the method reference. So this do it method has two parameters, so we need to pass two arguments to this do it method. First argument is of type functional interface I convert. So we can pass a method reference to a static method or a method reference to a instance method as an argument to this do it method if that method is compatible with the functional interface I convert. In our case, the str converter class has a instance method change text, and this method is compatible with the I convert abstract method convert because both takes string as a parameter and returns string value. Okay, so what we can do is inside this do it method we can pass the method reference to this instance method of str converter class as an argument. So how to do that? We can write this way: str converter and use the double colon, then the method name. Method name is change text. Okay, this is how we can pass the method reference. Next thing is we have to pass a string. Okay. We have done that. So here we are getting one error. We'll see what is that error. Cannot make a static reference to non-static method. Change text type from the type str converter. Here we made one mistake. So here what we need to do is we have to create the instance of the str converter. Then only we can pass it. So we have to do that now. Str converter, then stc. This is the variable name. Then new str converter, or you can give a meaningful name also, like obj object instance. Now we have to pass this object instance, then double colon, then change text. So this is how we can do that. Okay, so now we are done with that. Next thing is, still we are getting error. We will see what is that. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static method. Do it from the main method. We haven't declared this do it method as a static method, so we have to declare that public static string do it. Now it is okay. Now everything is okay. Now what we do is we print the value yes. Okay, so do it method returns a string and it is stored inside the yes. So we will print it now. System dot out dot println, and let us print the value yes. Okay, so now we will run this code and see the output. See the output now. Now it is printing the text wrong, which is actually it is converted into uppercase, right? Okay, so in summary, we can pass a method reference to a instance method as a argument to a method if that instance method is compatible with the functional interface abstract method. The functional interface is actually the parameter type of that method. So when a method expects a functional interface type, then we can pass a method reference to a instance method